Hi there, Melody from WTI. And if you were wondering if you needed an egg cooker, yes, you do. This is the Elite Gourmet egg cooker. It is amazing. I'm telling you. Oh my goodness. Love, 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 love. I wasted too much time deciding to buy one of these. I'm going to show you everything it can do. I love that it has everything you need to start this out for a variety of different kinds of eggs. You have poached eggs you can make, boiled eggs, even omelets that you can make on here. The boiled eggs come out perfectly. They peel the best, the easiest I have ever had to peel. They're insane. It's insane. I'm just in love. I also love the fact that it has like little recipes in here. It's just an overall really fun little kitchen gadget that you didn't know you needed, but you do. This comes in a lot of different colors. It is the perfect gift for somebody. I am in love with mine, and I know you will be too, and that's my point of view.